Imagine if you could say something that instantly made any woman feel an undeniable, almost magnetic connection with you. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing, words have power. The right words, spoken at the right moment, can ignite curiosity, stir emotions, and create attraction in ways that seem almost effortless. Today I'm revealing 6 hidden phrases that do exactly that. But these aren't just words. They're psychological triggers that help you stand out, avoid the friend zone, and spark irresistible attraction. And trust me, the last phrase is a complete game changer, one that most guys are afraid to use. So stick around until the end, you don't want to miss it. Phrase number 1, I'm not really that easy. This is the ultimate power move. Most men make the mistake of showing they're always available, always eager to please. But when you say, I'm not that easy, it flips the script. It subtly tells her you're a challenge, someone who knows his worth, and that is highly attractive. Here's how to use it. Say it with a confident smirk and a playful tone. If she teases you or playfully challenges you, respond with, I'm not that easy. She'll be intrigued, and when she asks, oh yeah, what do I have to do? Just smile and say, maybe I'll tell you someday. Boom, you've created mystery and left her wanting more. But here's where it gets even better. This phrase isn't just about playing hard to get. It's about setting a frame where she feels the need to earn your attention. And that shift in dynamic, it's magnetic. Most guys immediately validate a woman's interest, afraid to lose the moment. But when you flip it and subtly imply that you're the one who needs to be won over, it reframes the entire interaction. And the beauty of this phrase is that it works in so many situations. If she gives you a compliment instead of just saying thanks, add a twist. Oh, so you think I'm charming? I don't know, I'm not that easy. If she playfully flirts or tests you, drop it with a teasing smirk. I see what you're doing, but sorry, I'm not that easy. It instantly adds intrigue, playfulness, and just the right amount of challenge to keep her engaged. And when you follow it up with a mysterious pause or a half smile, she's left wondering, wait, what does he mean? Why isn't he falling for my charm like other guys? And just like that, she's hooked, chasing your validation instead of the other way around. That's the power of a simple phrase, delivered with the right attitude. Phrase number 2, you have a unique personality. I like that. Most guys give generic compliments like, you're beautiful, or nice outfit. While those are fine, they don't stand out. But when you say, you have a unique way about you, I like that, her mind starts racing. What does he mean? What's so special about me? That curiosity draws her in. The key? Make it genuine. Maybe it's the way she lights up when talking about her passions, or how she confidently expresses herself. Pointing this out makes her feel truly seen. Pro tip: say it with a slight smile and maintain eye contact. It's not just the words, it's the energy behind them that makes the magic happen. Phrase number 3, that's what I like best about you. This takes compliments to the next level. Instead of saying you're fun, make it personal. The way you get excited about your dreams, that's what I like best about you. Why does this work? Because it makes her feel valued for more than just her looks. Timing is everything. Use this phrase when you notice something genuine, whether it's the way she laughs, listens, or expresses herself. When she feels you're really paying attention, it creates a connection she won't forget. Phrase number 4, I'm not sure if you can handle me. This is all about playful confidence. It's a fun way to challenge her while sparking curiosity. When you say, I don't know if you can handle me, it flips the usual dating dynamic. She'll instantly wonder, wait, why wouldn't I be able to handle him? And suddenly she's trying to prove herself to you. How to use it? If she's bragging about something or playfully teasing you, respond with a smirk. That's cute, but I'm not sure if you're ready for me. It keeps the energy fun, flirty, and engaging. Phrase number 5, I prefer women who know what they want. This is a subtle challenge that instantly shifts the power dynamic. Most men try too hard to impress, but when you say this, you're setting a standard instead. Imagine she asks, what kind of women do you like? Instead of giving a generic answer, say, I like women who know what they want. Suddenly she starts wondering, do I fit that description? Am I confident enough for him? And now she's the one seeking your approval. This phrase exudes confidence, maturity, and self-respect, all of which are incredibly attractive. But here's the key. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Deliver it calmly and with certainty. No hesitation, no over-explaining. Just a simple, self-assured statement. And if she playfully asks, "Oh, so do I qualify?" Don't rush to answer. Pause, smirk, hold eye contact. Then say something like, maybe. The real question is, do you think you do? Now, she's not just curious, she's invested. She's actively working to prove herself to you, flipping the script on the usual dynamic where men are the ones seeking approval. And here's the best part. This phrase naturally weeds out indecisive or insecure energy. Women who truly know their worth will respond with confidence, while those who don't might stumble. Either way, you've positioned yourself as the prize. Someone who doesn't just take what's given but chooses carefully. So the next time you're in a conversation, drop this line effortlessly and watch how the energy shifts in your favor. Phrase number 6. I don't believe you're prepared for me yet. Now, this is the real game changer. This phrase triggers 2 powerful psychological effects. The fear of missing out, the allure of exclusivity. When you say, "I don't think you're ready for me yet," she'll instantly wonder, "Wait, what does he mean? Why wouldn't I be ready?" How to use it. Keep it lighthearted and playful. For example, if she's bragging about her skills or confidence, tease her. "That's cute, but I don't think you're ready for me yet." She'll be intrigued and want to prove you wrong, making the interaction even more fun and engaging. These 6 phrases aren't just words. They're psychological tools designed to create attraction, build curiosity, and make you stand out from every other guy. But here's the secret. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Use them naturally, with confidence and a playful tone, and watch how the entire dynamic shifts in your favor. You see, at the end of the day, attraction isn't about looks, money, or cheesy pickup lines. It's about how you make someone feel. And these phrases, they aren't just tricks. They're a way to show confidence, create connections, and stand out in a world where most guys just blend in. But here's the thing. Most men will watch this video, think that was cool, and move on. But the ones who actually take action, they're the ones who change the game. They're the ones who stop chasing and start attracting. So the question is, are you just watching, or are you ready to level up? If this video gave you even one valuable insight, just one phrase that made you think differently, then hit that like button. Not for me, but for yourself, so that YouTube knows to show you more content that actually makes a difference in your life. And if you're serious about becoming the kind of man who naturally draws people in, then subscribe right now. Not tomorrow, right now. Because every video I drop is designed to push you forward, while everyone else stays the same. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.